Hello all, welcome to my AWS Serverless course. So let's get started. The big question is, where did your servers go? Which I will be answering during the course. Let's see. Just for getting started, I brought you guys a quick agenda here about what we're gonna see in this course. We basically have an introduction, which will go through everything quickly, as this one. Then we're going to see the core services. Then we're going to take a look in a more deep state about Lambdas and API Gateway. Also persistent data with DynamoDB. Authentication and authorization. Building a front-end single-page application, that is what SPA stands for, single-page applications. Then we're going to see S3 and how to host our application. After that, we will have all the basic knowledge that we need to have to build an application manually. Then we're going to, for our second part, which is how to automate our manual work. That's where we're going to see the serverless framework. Then we'll learn how to set up our local environment, because we'll be basically developing our system locally, and then we're going to deploy to AWS later. In that project, we'll be building a complete backend application. So these applications will be different. We have one for the backend and another one from the front end. We also learn how to partition a big application. Sometimes the application gets too big when we start it. It's usually small, but then it grows until the point where it gets pretty much unmanageable. So we have to know how to break that big monster into smaller pieces. So we also learn how to deploy our application, backend application, and the front end as well. Sometimes we still need to have servers. So we'll see, and we'll learn how to become serverful inside serverless. We will learn as well workflows. Sometimes we have some piece of complex functionality, and we need multiple steps to make that processing. So that's where we'll see those workflows. And then we'll simply have a roundup in our course. So by this time, you'll be mastering all of these concepts, and you have this knowledge under your belt. Okay. Requirements for this course. To be honest, there are not many. First, you have to have a basic computer programming knowledge. So you need to know basic things about computers and programming languages, because we'll be building an application, so we need to code. The second thing is you need a computer or a laptop running Windows, Mac, or any other OS. So you can do these hand-on labs on your end as well. The structure of this course, it's pretty simple. We'll be doing everything step by step, kind of. And then we'll be progressing deep on each topic. So each topic is kind of a pre-requirement for the next one. But whenever we get to the next topic, so we'll be fully equipped with that knowledge. We're going from basic to advanced, so we don't even have to know anything about serverless or AWS. I'll be taking you from the first to the last level. We will also be going from manual process to automated process. And do not worry. just like you, I've been through this process of learning something really new and have to pick up those concepts. Don't worry, we'll be doing this step by step. You can follow me, you can follow the labs, and we'll get there. Okay? So this is the brief introduction. I'll see you guys in the next lesson.